Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. This is the Rideshare Hub, a great place for Uber and Lyft drivers and food delivery drivers to come together to learn how to make more money and be better drivers. So in today's video, I'm talking about 3 ways that you can increase your income as an Uber or a Lyft driver. These are 3 things that any driver can apply to their belt as a driver, and you can start making more money, because that's what we're all here for. That's why we signed up in the first place, right? So before I do get started, I want to encourage you, if you haven't yet signed up for Lyft, if you want to become a Lyft driver, I have a coupon or a referral code down below, and you can get a sign up bonus or guarantee. And yeah, let's get started. So the number 1 way that you can increase your income is by putting a tablet on the back of your car. And there are actually companies that will pay you to do this. And I actually do have mine. Oh, sorry, excuse me. Right here. And this is OCTOPUS. OCTOPUS is a company that will pay you literally to stick a tablet on the back of your headrest. And I'll just open it up here for you. This is what it looks like. It comes with a little strap to put around on your headrest, and it's like this. And passengers can play games on the tablet. I'm pretty sure this is dead right now. But it does come with a charger, and it hooks up to a little USB port, right? Or USB-C port, I believe that's what it's called. And you can charge it. And your passengers can play games on it, and you can make up to $100 extra per month. It's really great for your more sociable riders, or people who aren't as sociable but still want to have a good interaction. And a lot of times, guys, they think that you set it up yourself, like you went out of your way to, well, you kind of did, but they think that you invested money into it, so they end up usually leaving you a better tip and a better rating. And for people who are just commuting, it'll just stay black back there. The screen will be off, and it just says tap to play, so it's not in your face, and I've never had anyone complain about it, I'll put it that way. But a lot of people have enjoyed it. Okay, and I do have a link down below to sign up. And when you sign up with my link, you get fast-tracked to get your tablet for free. So check that out down below if you'd like. Okay. Number 2, the second way that you can earn more income, and this is a way you're gonna save a lot of money, and maybe you need to do this, but it's use a used vehicle. So if you're driving a newer car right now, or if you're renting a car, the number 1 way to earn more income is by using a used car. A car that already has depreciated quite a bit. If you're putting on miles on a car that hasn't appreciated a lot in value yet, good. Because you can switch or try to switch into getting a used car, trading in your car, or selling your car private party. I know the used car market's really hot right now, so you can probably get a lot of your money back, but use a used car. That way you don't eat a lot of your profits through depreciation. And yeah, depreciation is real. Your car will go down in value, so keep that in mind. The third way you can increase your earnings as a driver is by using both apps, both Uber and Lyft. When you use both apps, both Uber and Lyft, you will get essentially not twice as many rides, but you'll cut your downtime in half. So if you're driving, let's say, only for Lyft, and after you finish a ride, you're waiting 20 minutes for your next ride, you could have both apps on, and as soon as you get a ride request for one, click accept, then go into your other app and sign offline. Now, you're gonna do rides on the other app, or whatever app you get rides on, until you have no more rides. Then you go online on both apps, and again, as soon as you get a ride, go offline on the other one. This will cut your wait time down tremendously. And another bonus tip is you can use there's a new bank that just came out called Current, and this is the future of banking, and you can actually earn 4% APY on your savings. So while you're making money, driving Uber, driving Lyft, if you have Current set up, and I have a link below to sign up for Current, you will earn 4% APY. What does that mean? So let's say you have $10,000 sitting in there. On that $10,000, you'll earn $400 per year just by having it sit in your account. It's not investing, it's literally just a high interest savings account. So check out Current with my link down below. You can sign up, at least check it out. And I know for me, it's a great way to start building up your savings. Make a goal. Okay, I want to save up $10,000 driving for Uber and for Lyft. Okay, you can knock that out in a couple months. Put it in your savings account. Maybe you don't even want to look at it. Maybe that's just your account for saving up for a house or for a new car, whatever it might be. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Those are 3 ways you can increase your income right away as an Uber Lyft driver. Hope you enjoyed it. Again, check out the links down below to sign up for Lyft. I have the Play Octopus link down there. I have the Current link down there as well, and a few more other ones too you can check out. So thanks for watching. Have a great day, and this has been another episode of the Rideshare Hub. Bye now.